Hi, it's Dan again. I had my surgery on Monday. I'm here back at the clinic to do my first head wash. So I had an amazing time doing the surgery with. So I would like to thank the whole team at Max Hair Clinic for taking care of me. I had a wonderful experience. So I would like you guys to check them out on social media. If you need any hair treatment, hair implant, they are the best in India. So please check them out, and we'll see you next time. Thank you very much.